7th, 2021. This one I got a call from a guy I worked for before. He's got a, I guess he's got a rental property in a house and the toilet's leaking water around the toilet. So he's gonna meet me over there and we'll go see if we can fix it for him. Beautiful day, Molly. It's gonna be like 73 out. Beautiful. Fall weather, you know, that type of stuff. I kind of like the fall. Cool in the morning and getting down to about 50 at night, I guess. And I enjoy the fall weather. Yeah, it's wet from up top. I can feel it. It's running down from the gasket. Unless everything's loose. I'd have to pull it and see. Definitely wet up top there.
Okay. I'll do your magic.
My hand's all wet.
There's a towel.
Huh? Oh, yeah, no problem. Just... Yeah, the tank might be a little bit on the loose side. Maybe I could just tighten it. Probably not. I'm probably going to have to do is drain it down, take the bolts off, put new bolts, and check that gasket.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
And if that doesn't work, new toilet?
Well, let's not go to that point yet. Unless you really want one, you want me to try to fix it, right?
Well, I don't know. She sort of said if it can't be fixed that well, put a new one in.
Well, let's check it out first.
I think that's the original anyway. I don't know what this look is. It's just it's gonna be bone.
Get the water out of it.
If you can fix it, I guess she'd say fix it. If not, though, she doesn't want the aggravation. So whichever is.
Oh. Maybe we can just tighten it up. So, let me grab my tools there. So your sister's the boss, huh?
Oh yeah, this is hers.
Oh, this is hers.
I'm only your supervisor, that's all.
That's fine. Well, you're better off being a supervisor, right?
I don't want to be the worker, so.
Being a supervisor role.
Or I'm the appointment manager. I don't know which one we'll use, but. One of those two.
Fine. Yeah, she's just turning. I can tighten it up, you know. Gaskets like that with the 4 dogs. I know I don't. That particular gasket with the 4 dogs like that, I know I don't have one of them. Let's see, I tightened it up. Let's see if it leaks still. I think that did it. just tightening up those bolts was enough to make it. See, what happens is they sit on this thing and they lean back and it loosens it up over time. Sometimes you could just tighten the gasket back up, and then it's good. And that seems to be the case here. And I'm not going to sell her something that she don't need.
Yeah, I know, but she's got to come back again another time to replace the toilet. She's not going to be happy either way. So. It's up to you. Use your judgment, but I'm just saying.
You want me to put a new toilet in? I just fixed it. If you want me to put a new toilet in, I could do it. I mean, I'm not gonna say. I'm letting you know that it was loose. I tightened it. It's not leaking anymore. It's up to you.
Well, let's call her and see what she says.
Yeah. Most guys would be selling you a new flipping house here. Yeah, it's not leaking anymore, so. You want me to talk to her?
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong. I mean, I could get another gasket for it, but it doesn't need it. It's an Elja.
Hello, Pauline. You're on speaker. We'd like to tell you about it, okay?
Hello. Alright, what happened was, think the bowl bolts were a little bit loose. Every time they sit on the toilet, they move, they lean back a little bit, and it loosens up the gaskets and the bolts. I was able to tighten everything up. There's no more leaks. I mean, you don't really need a new toilet at this point, but, you know, if it starts leaking again, we can put another one in, either that or rebuild it. I just don't have this gasket in the truck, but I was able to tighten it. It's not leaking anymore. I don't want to sell you something you don't need.
No, but as far as you're concerned, everything is okay to your personal...
Yeah, I'm gonna flush it a couple of more times.
Yeah, well, I trust you. I'll go by what you say.
Yeah.
And if it starts leaking again, then I need a new toilet. That's what you're saying, correct?
Yeah, then that will be the point. Just replace the whole thing at that point. But seeing that it's fixed now, I mean, you might get another couple of years out of it.
Okay, I'll go by what you said.
Yeah, and we know what we need now. Next time I come, I'll just get another one on the way in. Yes.
Okay, so you keep it in your...
That's what I would do. I mean.
Okay.
Yeah, and you don't see anything else anywhere? All right.
Not that I'm aware of.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
We'll just double check it, make sure everything's fine.
No, I just want to make sure she knows because it's hers. It's her baby.
Oh, I understand. I mean, the way things are now, everything's going flipping crazy price-wise. Everything's going up. It's flipping nuts, you know? Why spend money unless you have to? Right?
Okay. No, babe, it's not my money. I don't care. It's gotta be hers when she pays it.
Yeah, that's fine now, guys. I mean, I don't want to steer her wrong.
As long as you're sure, she just doesn't need the aggravation with her AD, right? After all, she's like 78, I think.
Is she?
Yeah.
Yeah, 12-inch rough toilet, so it's a standard toilet. You know,
Yeah, I can't be
see how it's off white. I mean, if she wouldn't want to just go with a white one.
Well, I don't know what these are. I think it's bone. She would
Yeah,
like
it's
you to
bone.
She'd probably like you to get the same color.
I could get a bone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think it's a big issue for me, but for her, I think she'd want the same color.
I could get bone.
Yeah.
I'd go with an elongated handicap toilet if we go with another one. Like I said, it was just loose.
And then the lady in here.
Yeah, so it's a bone.
Yeah.
12-inch rough. Rough bone. It's just a little loose. Tightened it up and it's fine.